Well, I'm finally approaching the tree line. The interesting thing will be to see what happens from here. I mean, it's possible the lake is on the other side of this tree line. It's also possible I'm on some farmer's private property and I have misjudged everything. The path continues. Oh my. Now it's becoming a path in the woods. Okay, I'll get back to you.